In this video, I'll show you how to change the theme on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go into settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll down and find wallpapers and personalization. And then here you want to scroll down and select my themes. Tap on that, and you're going to see a list of all the themes that you've used on your phone, or you're just going to see the default theme, which is this one that we're currently using. So to get more themes, simply tap on more online themes. And if it's your first time, you'll need to agree to some certain policies, so tap on agree to proceed. And then now you can scroll through the theme options and then find a theme that you like. So find a theme that you like and tap on it. And then it's going to load, and once it loads, it's going to show you how it looks like on the various screens: the home screen, the lock screen, the menus, and any other place that the themes apply, the always on display. So if you like it, simply tap on download, and it's going to be downloaded onto your phone. So give it time to download. And once it downloads, just like that, it's going to be applied automatically. It's going to be applied. If you've not enabled always on display, it's going to ask you to enable always on display for you to see how the theme looks like, and it's going to be saved under your themes page. So now when you go back to the home screen, you're going to see that your theme has been applied across the phone, just like that. And even when you lock your phone, your lock screen is going to have that theme, and so is going to also be on your display, on your always on display, if you've enabled it, just like that. Now you can also go back there to the wallpapers and personalization option and select the AI theme generator and tap on agree to begin. And now you can use AI to generate even more themes for your phone. That's basically how to change the theme on this phone. Take care and God bless.